Okay, welcome to day one. Here we are in modules. You'll see this first module is online textbook access. If yours is closed, click on the little arrow, it will open it up. Okay, so we're going to register for the online book. All right, and when I open this up, it's going to take you to connect. And then if we need to join this class, we're going to email, put your email. Make sure you use your school email and you're going to follow the registration process. Here's the user code. It'll ask you for that at some point. Okay, get registered for the book. Okay, so we've got to do that. We need a book. And I'm going to go back here. And then later, when you need the book, then you click on online book access. And that will take you straight to the book, but that'll open in a new page, and there you'll have your email and password. Okay, so everyone needs access to the online book. Okay, once that's completed, we're going to go to the day one activities. All right, and this is the welcome video that you should be in right now. And then we've got Zoom expectations. So I'm going to go to that first. Click on Zoom expectations. And there's the Zoom expectations. Okay, so if we have to Zoom, we'll have to follow these rules. Make sure you read through each one of those. I'm not going to read those to you. Then here's the classroom matrix. Right now it looks like a video, but I'm going to upload that as a page for you. Then here is our science safety contract, and you can see that there. And you notice there's a signature page, but you're not going to sign there. You're going to read through those. Make sure you read through those. We have to have one on file for each student. And then we're going here. Okay, here's our quiz, and we're going to start our quiz. And our quiz basically says, hey, guess what? Did I read all the expectations? Let's get back to here, day one. Okay, did I read through all of these? And this says, yes, I did. Okay. So once you finish that quiz, I have to have a quiz for everybody, so make sure you get that done. All right, here's our anatomy timeline. This is very important for you, so you know what you will be doing. We're going to go over safety. That's the first unit I want you to do. And then here are the other units in first semester. And then if you decide to take second semester, there's the units in second semester. But let's go back to first semester. Okay, so first thing I want you to complete is safety. All right, and let's go back here. So after we've completed day one, we have safety, and we have a safety video that you need to watch. At the beginning of the year, we have to watch the safety video. All right, and then after that, we've got the safety illustration. I'm going to click on that for you. And right here are our safety rules, and there's 14 different rules, and it says choose one of these safety rules listed below and draw a picture that portrays the rule. Use a blank sheet of paper, and you must color it, so you can use markers, colored pencils, crayons to complete your drawing. Make sure your name, date, and which rule you are drawing on the heading of your paper. You'll be graded for accuracy, neatness, and spelling. So no stick figures in a pen and submit that. No, it needs to be drawn. So you can pick any of these and you will submit that to me. You can upload it and send it through Remind, or I'll have some other directions for you to be able to send that to me. All right, last thing, lab safety test. Everybody has to take the lab safety test, so make sure you get that done. And once that's completed, that is day one activities. Okay, for directions on how to complete other modules, you will go to that specific module. Like here is the first module. And notice if you click on this, it opens and closes. So I'll have a video posted here on how to complete the next module. All right, if you have any questions about any of this, let me know.